name is John Coffey.
Yes, sir, boss.
Questions?
Do you leave the light on after bedtime? Cause I get a little scared in the dark sometimes.
Does it hurt yet? I hope it does. I hope it hurts like hell.
John Coffey, you have been condemned to die in the electric chair by a jury of your peers, sentence imposed by a judge in good standing in this state.
I'm sorry for what I am. Please, boss. Don't put that thing on my face. Don't put me in the dark. I'm afraid of the dark.
All right, John.